Hey, so today I'll be doing a quick half up, half down hairstyle. I'm doing a bun at the top and a wash and go in the back, and this will be my first wash and go. To prep my hair, I co-washed my leave out in the hair only with the Camille Rose Nourishing Cream Hair Bath and the Suave Almond and Shea Butter Conditioner, and then I did the LCO method like I normally do. So initially, I was going to use the Eco Styler Gold. Well, I did use the Eco Styler Gold gel for a few pieces of my hair, and it didn't work out. Like I said in my other video, it has no hold to it at all, so it didn't really define any of my curls. So you'll see me initially using that, and then in some later clips, you'll see where I switched gels. Yeah, so the Eco Styler Gold Gel was a dub. It's a no, sis. So right here you see me switching to the Eco Styler Flaxseed. It's an immediate difference. Immediate. You hear me? Like instant. It's just defining my curls. It's defining the ends. You see it. I know you see it. Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this. I know I showed it, but I didn't say it. I'm using the Eden Body Works Cocoa Shea Leave-In Conditioner. Look at that, y'all. Look at that definition. Yes, come through. Yes, prayer hands. Yes, you see it. You see it. Look at it. Right here, I'm using that same Eco Styler Flaxseed Gel to smooth my hair into a ponytail for my bun. I know it looks like I'm probably pulling it tight, but I'm not. I just don't have edges right now because I lost them all after having my baby. So that's where my edges are, okay? That's where they are. Don't come for me. This hair that I'm using is leftover heat-free hair from when I did my install. It's those two little pieces I showed in my review. So I'm just taking them and wrapping them around. This is one piece, and then I'm doing the second piece here. And I'm just wrapping it around. And then once I finish wrapping them around, I'm twisting them up and I'm just pinning them down to make my bun. Now, low key, this right here is a look. Now, it can be a look. Now, if this is what you're going for, like, for real, like low key, just need to slap some gel on there and we in business. You can really do your bun however you want to do it. You can make it out of twists. You can just wrap it around freely and not twist it. You can make more than two twists. It doesn't matter how you do this part. Just make a bun however you choose to make a bun. It's pretty easy. Just however you want to make a bun, just do it. Right here, I'm doing what I had to do in the last video. I'm pinning my hair that I have at the top over my new growth, because if I don't, there'll be a big 1.5 inch line of demarcation there. So this is me pinning the weave over on top of my new growth. And these are the results. This is my hair dry. It's completely dry. The bun is dry. Everything is dry, laid down. This is it. I don't have no edges, y'all. I don't have no edges. Okay, I'm giving you 5 head. All right, I'm giving you looks with my 5 head. I don't care. It's reality. Accept it. Get into it. That's it, guys.